Hello viewers, welcome back to Jet2 Mastery. In this video we are going to solve print all prime numbers from start to end point. So let's read the question carefully. You have to print all prime numbers between a range. What is the range? User will give the low point, which means user will give the starting point as well as ending point. So you have to print all the prime numbers in between from start to end. So that's it, the question. But before that, if you haven't watched prime number problem solving, so please watch it, then only you can understand here, because every time I couldn't explain this is prime number concept, right? So please watch it as a prerequisite. So you have to watch the factors video as well as you have to watch whether the given number is prime or not, that problem solving as well. Okay, so let's see. The input is 6 and 7. 6 is your starting point and 24 is your ending point. So you have to print all the prime numbers in between 6 to 24, including the 6 and 24. It is not excluded. You have to calculate 6, you have to calculate 24 also. See, what are the prime numbers available in 6 to 24? 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 and 23. So let's take your starting point is 1 and your ending point is 10. What are all the prime numbers available? Like 1 is a prime number? Not. So 1 is a composite. So 2 is a prime number, then 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number, and 7 is a prime number. So these are the prime numbers. So let's see how to do. See, this is the this is the function of whether the given number is prime or not. We have written already in the previous class, right? So in this main function, what I have to do, I have to get the two things from user. One is low point and another one is high point. So let's see. Scanner, okay, scanner SN equal to new scanner and system.in. Next, int low equal to SN dot next int high equal to SN dot next int. Yeah, so I have get two inputs from user. One is low and another one is high. What we have to do, we have to set up the range int I equal to low, my I less than or equal to I. From with this range to that range, we have to check all the number. If we have to check all the number whether it is a prime or not, then I plus plus. So what we have to do, I am going to call the prime function. So if prime of I, okay, so if the function will return true, because it is a boolean function, right? So if the given number is prime, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So if the given number is true, which means the given number is true means it is a prime number. So that time what I have to do, I have to print the prime number. System dot out dot print. So my prime number is I. So because my starting range is I initially initialized as a low point. Okay, so it will move forward to up to high. So my I will, let's consider my I equal to 1 right now. So I will check 1 is a prime or not. No. So what I have to do, I want to do anything actually. If it is a prime, then only I have to print, right? So if it is actually 1 is not a prime, so my I value incremented up to 2. 2 is a prime. So if it is a prime, I have to print as well as space for getting these kind of output, okay, in a single line. So system.out.print like this. So let's run and I will give my start and ending range as a 6 and 24. We will see what is the output we will get. Okay, my starting range is a 6 and ending range is a 24. What we will get? See, 7, 11, 13, 7, 17, 19 and 23. Yeah, this is what we are expecting. We got the expected output, right? So what is the iteration part? Initially your I is assigned as initially I is 6. Okay, so we are checking 6 less than or equal to 24. Condition true. So we are checking 6 is a prime or not. It is not a prime. Then I will incremented. Now our I is 7, right? Like that I will incremented 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, like that it will incremented up to high level. What is our high variable contains? High variable contain 24. So up to it will goes forward, it will move forward to 24. So after that 24 it won't execute, so this loop will fail, this will loop terminate. So each and every value, this 7 is a prime or not, if it is a prime we will print, then it coming back to 8, it move forward to 8. If 8 is a prime, it will print the 8. So if it is not prime, it won't print anything. So that we are giving only if condition. So I hope you have understood this problem. So I'll catch up you next interesting problem guys. So bye bye.